What's going on, guys? Shimon here, back with a new video. Now I know everyone's panicking right now because you probably just got an email from JumpCut saying you have to pay $470 for something you probably haven't ever seen before or signed up for. But basically, this guy is called Kong. He has like a YouTube channel called Viral Academy, where I probably signed up for this thing like back in like 2017, 2018, when I just started my YouTube channel and I wanted to learn how to grow my YouTube channel, stuff like that. So he has an email list of people who apparently he's trying to scam. So if you just received this email, let me show you right now. Let me show you guys the email. I just received the email and it almost caught me because I was like, oh shit, maybe I actually did something and it was going on and I didn't know. So I tried to check my credit cards, my bank and stuff like that, and I haven't seen like any transactions from them. So I'm just showing you guys the email I received right here from JumpCut. Now this is the email I received saying that I needed to pay $470, and I was just surprised and shocked, and I was like, all right, so I have to pay $470. Let's see where this stemmed from, you know. So I started to dig in, did some research and stuff like that, and then I found on Reddit a lot of people are talking about it. So if you see an email like this, please do not pay, please avoid it. Like, a lot of different companies are taking advantage of the COVID-19 stuff. They know you got your stimulus check, they know you have money to spend, and they're trying to scam you in these times. So please disregard the email, try to unsubscribe from the list. Another reason why this looks so bad, guys, is that the email is not even a fake email, it's the real email. So I don't know how they did this, or if he just got caught and he felt bad, so he's just trying to play it off. But if you look here, you can see it's the real email. So as you can see, support Jump Plus. If you go to more details, you see that this is the actual email from JumpCut. So yeah, you really need to be aware of it, and what I would do is unsubscribe from the sender so he doesn't send anything else to you. Another thing is also, if this was a scam and he had nothing to do about it and he also knows about it, why doesn't he send out another email to the same list of people telling them that, hey, this was a scam, do not pay attention to this was not done on behalf of my company or my business? Why hasn't he done that if it wasn't a part of his plan? So after digging some research on Reddit, Kong claims to say that this wasn't his fault and somebody hacked his newsletter list and sent out something. So these are the direct words from Kong. He said, hey guys, Kong here, the CEO of JumpCut. First and foremost, the invoice is not real and you will not be charged on anything. This morning we found out our email provider was hacked and sent out fake invoices to everyone on our list. Luckily, they only got access to our email provider and nothing else. So basically he's saying that a scamming team hacked his email list, sent out a bunch of emails, and he has no idea about it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think Kong actually did this, or someone actually hacked his email list and tried to make money from him? Knowing Kong, I would assume that he would do something like this because he's always hustling, always trying to get money. And it's a strategy going on now. Like, a lot of people are trying to do this. So just please be aware, do not pay. It's not real. And if you guys have any questions or anything, drop them down below in the comments. And hopefully we could spread this, share this to your friends, share this to your family, let them know this is not real. Do not pay this amount of money, and please stay safe out there, guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. As always, love, peace. Signing out.